Hi guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and it's me again, the Filipina Mountain Life Mom in the Philippines. In today's video guys, I wanna show you a process of making a sweet glutinous rice. This is one of a sweet delicacy here in the Philippines, one of the best. So this is my second time to make this delicacy because and the first time when I make the uh biko, it's called biko here, the sweet glutinous rice. I cannot take video, I cannot make content because I'm busy. I do live only. So this time I will show you guys. Let's join. Come on. First I need to fill out the coconut. I use 3 coconut rings. Ano ba? Gusto ko coconut ka? Gusto ka? Sige, pa. Process guys is I need to I need to get the coconut coconut milk. I put 1.5 cup of water. So we need to push it. Make sure that you are so very strong. Tugas yang karangan. Oh, luwag ba ni? Tugas. Ang picture niya isa ko na okay nang dito kay. Ang short mo. Damo pag yun. Unsa naman ka man sila, model naman ka.
Wala patay.
Ala.
Ito ano te?
Oh, gyud.
Ya may di. Ang sala ka to.
Nga sa masad po. One reply.
Wa mo din lang comment. Uy, no, unsa? I already say friend ko na. Ano nga?
Para sa galang tinti oy.
Ha? Pay pay.
Ano nga sa dilas? Kasi ko.
Hindi mo. So,
Tahan mo sinilas sa.
this is it. This is the
Adyo undang ino.
pure coconut milk. Here guys, the next step is I need to cook the coconut oil and sugar. Yan.
Coconut milk.
Muro taganig kuan. Unsa na nga nagluto sa gawa naras kuan?
Aga ta mga bayan dagog tutoy.
No, mga inamog sa
India.
I will add two pack of sugar. This
Ayaw,
is
Dira.
equivalent to
Anya dira.
1/2 kilo. It's depend to the measurement of the one guys. It's depend to the measurement of the glutinous rice. So then I need to stir. We need to stir guys for a long time, like 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. We need more patient. Parang marabaman. Padahal sa
Iya mga iya pa yung braka. Iya pa sa kanila sa ribon.
mahirap ang anggol. Parang
Jilin, okay. Ang nana na Jilin. Ano yung picture ka? Muna ikuha sa
So,
vlog.
it is almost done guys. I think after 10 minutes, it's okay na. It's if it's already caramelized. O sige, turuan na po na. Ako na po utrohon. Magtigil na po ko utro. Puyo gawi away ha. Pagbuwag. Then I need to put a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. It is almost done. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes only. So if the consistency is just like this, guys, it's very gonna. It is ready to put to mix the glutinous rice. I already cooked the glutinous rice earlier, guys. Here. This is a purple glutinous rice because there is two kind of glutinous rice, the white and the purple. A black or a purple. Yeah. Ingin itong luwag dito an. Glutinous rice. And then, we need to mix. Ay, sa ulit. Video, pag short dali. Short video. May, may. Ano tayo? Pasa sa cellphone niya. Pero video ko din. Pasa. Oh, it is almost done. Look at that. Zoom in. Look. Wow.
Biko.
It is called
Video po ka tayo.
kamay. It is called bikur, guys. This is the one of the best sweet delicacy here in the Philippines. It is called biko here in our province. Huh? Yeah, picture it, guys.
Oh, it's very hot.
It is perfect first for the coffee or something, soft drinks, coffee like that. Look at that. Wow. Bye. This is it for today's video. Tara.